the humble broom, the essential companion that is always there, just waiting to make an appearance when needed. Every day, dirt, hair, and all the nasty things that get trodden and pushed around our floors, swept up by this faithful companion. So let's take a look at a simple yet effective treatment for cleaning away all this unwanted dirt from in between the bristles. Firstly, let's grab some salt and vinegar. Who knew? It's not just for fish and chips. It also makes a great solution for cleaning and sprucing up your broom. Simply fill a bucket with warm water, half a cup of salt, and around 1 cup of vinegar. Swish this around until nicely combined, and then submerge your broom head into the water and leave for at least 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water and allow it to air dry completely. And there you have it, one refreshed broom, ready to tackle dirt and grime once again.